एक मिनट.
Hello, ma'am.
But 504 आ रहा है. तो कम 75,504 ना. Why is it coming 75,906?
I think it's mistake.
1 minute.
You are in what?
Okay. Shall we start with our test? Have you all finished
Yes.
discussing? Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
There's a problem in this.
Which one?
Ma'am, exam solution 3.
Vihan, quiet. Ranveer, which one?
Example 3, solution 2 on page number 24.
Okay, 75,906. What is the problem with that?
They have written LXXD. That much I understand that it is 75,000, but DM is 5,000, M is 1,000. So
Wait a minute. 75,906. So that is 75,000 plus 900 plus 6. Correct? Now, how do you write 75,000? How do you write 75?
L,
They have given
L,
50 plus 15. Correct? Sorry, 50 plus 25 is 75. So L plus XXV. Correct? उसके ऊपर बार डाल दिया. A bar on top of that 75 का 75,000 हो जाएगा. Correct? Understood? DM stands for 900. How? Because M stands for 1000.
1000.
Huh? And D stands for
500.
500.
stands for 500. Ah, that should actually be what? That should be 100, no? Only then it will become 900.
Yes, ma'am. That's what I was telling.
Correct. It is CM. It is CM. It is CM. Correct. Okay, so 900 is M minus 100, which is M pehle aayega. Before that, you will write C, which is 100. So 1000 minus 100 is going to be 900. So that will be M, and before that, you will write C. So 900 will be written as CM. Correct. Plus 6. Okay, so that is 75,906. Wow, good observation, Tanishka. I am amazed that you found this mistake here. Very good.
When
Okay.
I was doing that, I found that mistake.
All right, shall we start? I am ready with my questions,
Yes.
and here goes my page. This is how the rule would be. All of you will get chance, and you will answer only when I call out your name. Got it? Got it? You will answer only when I call out your name. Nobody will talk out of turn. Okay? जिसका question है बस वही answer करेगा. Subhan, you have to be very, very careful. Okay? You will not talk out of turn. All right? Who is called out, only that person will answer. Got it? All right? So we are going to go alphabetical order. Alphabetical order, who comes first?
At me.
Pranav, Ranveer, Tanishka, Subhan, Vihan.
Pranav, Ranveer, Shubhan, Tanishka, and Vihan.
Correct. Subhan, Tanishka, Vihan. Correct. So Pranav, Ranveer, Subhan, Tanishka, Vihan. Okay. So I am going to write down your names here in my book, and I'm going to keep giving you marks for it. Okay. Pranav, Ranveer, Subhan, Tanishka, Vihan. All right.
And
Ready? Here we go.
before we go, can I ask one thing?
Yeah.
Are we going to have some time limit?
I will see that. I will decide. There will be some time limit for sure. Okay. So first one goes to Pranav.
And we can't see from the book.
Close your books. Close your books. Pranav, what is this?
90.
Okay, Pranav gets one. All right. Next goes to Ranveer. Ranveer, what is this?
Ma'am, 40.
Sorry. Sorry, it is 50 plus 10. Come on, be a little more careful. Subhan, what is
Tanishka.
Subhan? What is this?
What? Tanishka says it is not
Subhan, do you want to answer when I call out your name?
Ma'am, you are taking from middle, but it is Tanishka's turn.
Subhan, okay. Subhan, you skip your turn. Okay, thank you very much. Subhan, your turn is skipped. Tanishka, what is the answer to this one?
40.
This is 30?
No, 4040.
Sorry, Tanishka, since you already said 30, I'm going to take it as 30, but then I'll have to give you a 0. Okay, so this is 40. Vihan, what is this?
Also, 70.
Excellent, Vihan. Okay, now I go to Pranav again.
Ma'am, can we get a trial round? The trial round.
Quiet, everyone. Pranav, what is this?
19.
Good job. Ranveer, what is this?
Yes, ma'am. 18.
Good. Subhan, what is this?
14.
Okay, good. Tanishka, what is this?
20.
Good. Vihan, what is this?
15.
Very good. Okay. Now, I'm going to ask it in Roman, oh, I only made a mistake.
Hindu Arabic.
This is
Hindu.
1 minute. 1 minute. मेरे से ही गलती हो गया. You're going to convert it to Roman now. Okay, you're going to tell me how I have to write it in Roman. Okay. All right. Are we ready?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Pranav, you go first.
D. D.
Ranveer, what is this?
M.
1 minute, kid. I just have to write your marks here. Okay. Next is Subhan. Subhan, what is this? Oh, sorry. I made a mistake. Okay. Subhan, what is this?
5. V.
Tanishka, what is this?
I. Vihan.
Vihan,
Yes.
Vihan, what is this?
X.
Very good. All of you get your points in that round as well. Here we go next. Pranav.
Maybe do under 50,000.
Pranav, what is this?
And D C C.
Ranveer, what is this?
DCC.
Even ICC.
Tanishka, what is this?
Ma'am, ma'am, mine. Not
Subhan?
got.
Subhan, I know. I told you you're going to be the one to keep quiet in all the turns. You already skipped your turn for talking in between. Do you want me to do that again? Subhan, what is this?
Ma'am, Alex.
Zihan, what is this?
100. That is C.
Good. Okay, all of you, very good. Okay, now I'm going to clear this out. And now we'll be having some calculations that I want to see you all do. Okay? Now, okay, everyone can see the screens, right? So we're going to convert to Roman numerals. And we're going to do very simple sums in conversion to Roman numerals. Okay?
Will we do also for 5,000 or 50,000?
Yeah, we will do that also. Don't worry, we'll be doing that as well. Ready? Are we all ready?
Yes.
Convert
Okay.
to Roman.
Pranav, first one is for you. How will I write this?
X.
Give it to me in an expanded form like you did it in example 1. Full conversion with expanded form.
Ma'am, in first, ma'am, we will write in Hindu Arabic number 10 plus 3.
Okay. Then
Is equal X. X.
mm-hmm.
Ma'am, X plus
Mm-hmm.
I
Mm-hmm.
is equals 13.
Excellent. That's perfectly how I wanted you to do it. Very good. Ranveer, this goes to you. How will you write this?
40 plus 1
Mm-hmm.
equals XL
Mm-hmm.
plus
Mm-hmm.
I
Mm-hmm.
equals 41.
What is the final answer?
XLI.
Good job. Subhan.
X.
First conversion. Expansion.
8 plus 4.
Mm-hmm.
Then VR.
Sorry, what am I supposed to write here?
X and 1V. 1V. I and V. I and V. In expanded form of Roman numerals, we should write X plus V.
You want me to write it like this?
Yes. X IV.
Is this the final answer?
No.
Are you Subhan?
It. Yes.
Is this the final answer?
It is.
Subhan, is this the final answer? Subhan, I can't hear you. Is this the final answer? Okay, I'm guessing that you're telling me that this is the final answer. This is wrong. So I'm going to come back to solving that later. Okay, so I will now go to the next person. That's Tanishka. Tanishka, your number is here.
90 plus 7 is equals to L XC X. Cut that L plus V I is equals to XCVII 97.
Good. Subhan, this is your number. Subhan, sorry, Vihan, this is your number.
Yes.
55, your
50
number.
plus 5 equals to L plus V equal to LV.
Good job. Very nice, very nice. Now I'm going on to the next level. Okay.
That is 50,000.
Now, the first one goes to Pranav.
100
1 minute. Pranav, just give me a moment. Just give me a moment. I'll write it here. Yes, Pranav, tell me.
100 plus 80 plus 9 is equals C plus L plus L X Ma'am, C plus L X X X. Ma'am, triple X. Yes. 80 plus 9. Ma'am, 1 IX. Yes, ma'am. Is equals CL X X X IX.
Good job. Okay, Ranveer, it's your turn.
100.
What? Please repeat.
100 plus plus 10 plus 9 equals C plus H. No, sorry, ma'am, cancel H. Write IH. Wait. Ma'am, write IXI. Now write I over there. Where your cursor is, write I. Yes. Ma'am, equals CIXI.
Is this your final answer?
Yes.
Is this your final answer?
Yes.
Okay, this is wrong. I'll come back to it later. This is wrong. Okay, next one goes to Subhan. Subhan, your number is
Ma'am, 400 plus 54. Now it is
Subhan. I can't hear you. What did you say?
ma'am, I'm say 400.
Okay, after that.
And see.
Faster, faster. We are running out of time. Faster.
X.
How can I write 400 plus X?
No, 400 plus.
Subhan, 400 के बाद
100 के बाद वही रोमन में 500. C.
No, Subhan, 400 plus C cannot be written.
400 plus C not. I am saying C plus 84.
Is this what you're
No.
saying?
Yes, like this.
Okay.
No,
Subhan,
no. 84 X लिखो X और
कहाँ पे X लिखूं?
84
ऐसे? Like this?
84. Then 1 4 1 V means.
Sorry, repeat yourself.
Plus IV is equals to CX1V.
Okay. Sorry, Subhan. The way you solved it is completely wrong. This is not the solution to this. Okay, so I'm going to go over to the next one. Okay, Tanishka, next it is your turn. Your number is Tanishka, that's your number.
700
Hmm?
700 plus
Hmm?
70
Hmm.
plus 7
Okay.
is equals to
Okay.
D XX plus LXX LXX plus VII VII is equals to DXX LXX VII.
Sorry, Tanishka, your answer is wrong. Because this part of yours is wrong. Okay. So we're going to leave it at that. And now I'm going to go on to Vihan. Vihan, are you ready? Vihan, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Okay. Your number is Vihan. Start solving. Vihan, come back and start solving. Are you going to solve? No, you cannot take your textbook. Vihan, you cannot take your textbook. Vihan, you cannot open your textbook. Vihan, if you're going to open your textbook, Vihan, if you're going to open your textbook, I will not be able to give you marks for this. You're supposed to solve it without your textbook.
85 equals to
No, start
C.
now. Shuru se. Tell me right from the beginning. What's the answer?
C.
No, I want the expanded form first. I want the expanded form first.
100 plus 80 plus 5 equal to C L X X X plus 5 equal to C L X X X V. No!
What should be here?
We.
Correct. Okay, thank you, Vihan. You are correct. Okay, with that, we close the test for today. Okay. With that, we close the test for today, and I am going to give out your marks right away. Okay, these are the marks. Pranav and Vihan score the highest. Both of you get 8 out of 8. Ranveer and Tanishka get 5 out of 8. And Subhan gets 3. Okay. Now, some of you made some very silly mistakes. And if I go about explaining that mistake to you, you're going to find it really funny. Should I explain that right now? Or should we get into a diary writing class?
No, right now.
Explain it right now?
Right
Okay,
now.
fine.
Yes.
Vihan, if you want to take a break, you can do that. We are not doing diary writing. You know why, correct? You know why? Everybody
Yes,
would like to
ma'am.
solve the mistakes right now so they know where they stand. Okay?
Ma'am,
If you
after
want to go
mistakes.
drink some water and come back, Vihan, you can do that. Okay? We are going to
Ma'am,
continue
after
solving these sums. All right.
Ma'am, after correcting the mistakes, ma'am, can we do maths? Ma'am, maths only.
We'll see. We'll see. Let's first solve this. Whose sum was this? ये किसका sum था? 84. Who
Subhan.
was this? Subhan.
Subhan.
Subhan, what was the mistake? Can you tell me? 80 plus 4. How do you write 80? You told me X. I asked you a few times. Are you sure it's X? Because X just stands for 10. So how can this just be 10? That is why everybody else is going to keep quiet. I'm only talking to Subhan. Subhan, you're going to listen to me very carefully. Okay, you're going to listen to me very carefully. Now, this is how you solve 80. Now, please remember, when you have these numbers, you must solve them like this. You must solve them like this. Otherwise, you will end up making a mistake. How do you split 80? You split it as 50 plus 30. Right? Now what will you do with 50 plus 30? Now it's going to be much easier because now you just have to do this plus, right? Correct? आया समझ में सबको? Everybody understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
And that's why it will be this, this, and this.
And low.
Got it? Now, when do you have an upfront number or letter for this number? Does this letter इसका कोई letter है जो X बोलता है, N बोलता है, O बोलता है कुछ? नहीं. So you have to expand it, no? So only if you expand, you're not going to make that mistake. See again here, whoever solved this, you should have solved it as, then you will know the exact way of doing it, that you did not make a mistake. Okay? Because then you have to do L minus 10, which is 50 minus 10. So how would you write 50 minus 10? You'll write it as XL. Right? Now let's come here. This was Ranveer. Ranveer, okay, your screen is frozen, Ranveer. Can you see me? Can you hear me? Give me a thumbs up or say a hi.
You see me?
Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
Okay, can you also see the screen?
Hello, can you see me?
Yes, yes, yes. Now we can see you. Yes. Now see, Ranveer, you made a very, very careless mistake. The number is 919. You started it with 100 plus 10 plus 9. How could you do that? It's 900 plus 10 plus 9. What a careless mistake. That one careless mistake at the start made all the difference. This is 900 plus 10 plus 9, correct? Yes or no?
And I got it in Roman numerals now. Yes.
Now how will you split 900 to put it in Roman numbers? How will you split 900? You would do it as this minus this, yeah, plus 10 plus 9, correct? Yes or no?
Oh, ma'am, 9. You have written 1000 over there.
Okay,
Put
okay,
1000.
okay. How would you write 900? You would write it as 1000 minus 100. Correct? Now how do you write 1000 minus 100?
MC.
Do I write it like this?
MC, yes.
Are you sure this is 900? Is 900 written as MC? It is 1000 minus 100. How will you write it?
No. CM. CM.
Children, even if you do it 100 times, if you're not going to pay attention, you're going to make the same careless mistake. You have to keep telling yourself, 1000 minus 100 is 900. So how do I write 1000 minus 100? See, you might have 5 marks for Roman numerals in your exam. You should be able to get full 5. You should be able to get full 5. Correct? Now, what is next, Ranveer? Solve the rest of it. Ranveer, your class is here. Solve the rest of it.
XIX. XIX.
So, what is the answer?
I'm wrong. Not X plus, only XIX. Not X
You
plus.
have to first expand it, right? 1000 minus 100 is CM. Then 10 is here as X. 9 is here as IX.
The answer is CMXIX.
Correct. Do you realize the careless mistake you did? Because, Ranveer, look into the screen. Why are you looking outside? Sit straight. Sit straight and look into the screen. Is there something on your right hand side which is more interesting?
No.
Sit up straight. This careless mistake of just putting 900 as 100 cost you the whole sum. Now let's go to the next person, Subhan. Subhan, how did you go about solving this? Have you seen this kind of solution
Ma'am,
anywhere in your book?
Tanishka. Ma'am, Tanishka.
Subhan, did
No,
Tanishka
it is
solve this?
yours. Ma'am, no, it is Subhan's. Ma'am, down one is of Tanishka.
Subhan, can you please just obey when I call out your name? In the entire session, this is the third time you're telling me that it is not me, it is somebody else, it is not somebody else, it is me. And this is exactly the careless mistake that you're doing even while you're solving your sum. Your attention is somewhere else. I called out your name and I said, solve this. You just have to solve this, Subhan. Nothing more. Look at the screen. Is something else more interesting? Are you listening, Subhan? Is this how you have seen the solution anywhere in your textbook? Is this how you have, Subhan, what are you looking at? Subhan, what are you looking at? The solution is on the board. What are you looking at?
Nothing.
Then why are you not looking at the board? Why are you looking somewhere else? I'm waiting, Subhan. Let me know when you're ready. I'll start. If you still want to keep fiddling with the screen, we can let you finish that and then we'll start. What do you say?
Ready.
Okay. Have you seen this kind of solution anywhere in the book? Where halfway you write the numerals and halfway you write letters, then somewhere you write the numerals and then somewhere you write the letters. Is this how we have solved it in the class? Or is this how it is done in your textbook?
Ma'am, I was saying you erase 84 and write XIV. You have not heard me.
Okay, even if I erase 84, is this how we write it? So I'm going to give you another chance now. Expand this for me.
400 plus 84
plus 84. What is the
Yes.
expanded form of 484?
400 plus 80 plus 4.
So Subhan, why weren't you careful about this earlier? Why were you not careful about this earlier? You had 3 days to learn this and completely come prepared for the class. Why weren't you careful about this earlier? Now, tell me, how do you go about
Ma'am,
solving
I
this?
was on. Ma'am, T plus L plus X.
No, Subhan, I'm going to solve it for you. How do you expand 400 here in Roman numerals? Take that blue thing away from the screen. It will be good for you.
Ma'am, it is curtain.
Isn't it blocking the screen? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, it was only covering my camera, not whole screen.
Now, this is how you will further look to solve 400. How will you solve 400? It will be 500 minus 100 plus 80 plus 4. Now, how do you do this? 500. How do you write 500?
500 we write D.
Now, minus 100. Where will I write? I will write it here. Plus, how do I write 80?
We write LXX.
Plus 4. Therefore, the answer is got it? Tanishka, I'm going to come on to you now. Please help me solve this. Do you know the basic careless mistake you did? 700, you did DXX. You did D, which is 500, and then you put 1010. So what is this? 500 plus 10 plus 10? What should you be putting here?
CC. DCC.
This is the only mistake you did in this sum. And that
Done.
too because you were being careless. Just because dhyan nahi diya. Isiliye you must look to expand this as अगर इसको ऐसे स्प्लिट करोगे तो तुम्हारा ये मिस्टेक नहीं होगा क्योंकि what will you do? You will substitute 500 as D, 200 will become CC, and तुम गलती से भी इसको तुम XX नहीं लिखोगे, correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
कितना silly mistake था, है ना? And you know what? All the sums on this page had 2 marks. The entire sums on this page had 2 marks. All the sums on this page had 1 mark only. All the sums on this page had 2 marks. So this is how you all got your marks today. Can you all see it?
Yes.
The last 2 you got was for complete expansion. That gave you 2 marks. The rest were all for 1. See that? Got it? Understood? Yeah? So, if not for those silly mistakes, you all would have scored full marks. अगर वो silly mistake नहीं किया होता तो full marks मिलते. So very good job to Vihan and Pranav. Clap for them. They got full marks. They got 100%. 8 out of 8 is 100%. Clap for Ranveer and Tanishka. They got 5 marks. 5 out of 8. 3 marks. Kavya Puri. Clap for Subhan. He gets 3 marks. Subhan, you have to improve upon yourself. Please pay attention to what is being spoken in class and don't start thinking something on your own and get lost somewhere. Subhan, are you there? Subhan, are you there?
Come back.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Good job, kids. Very good.